Ladies and gentlemen, may isa na naman tayong live stream. This time, papuntahan natin yung pinakamagaling na anak ng Batangas. Walang iba kundi si Leandro Legarda Leveste. At tingnan natin kung paano ang kanyang sobrang tapang. Yung mga kabataan sa Kongreso ay kanyang binabangga. At sobrang laki ng iginaling ng kanyang pagtatalumpati. Nung araw, parang hindi marunong magtagalog. Ngayon, medyo magaling na siya magtagalog. Kasi gumraduate kasi sa Yale. Ay, hindi siya gumraduate. Nag-aaral kasi sa Yale University. So, pakinggan natin itong speech ni Congressman Leandro Legarda Leveste sa kanyang pagsasabi. Kinukontra niya ang mga kapwa congressmen na mga matatanda na mga kabataan. Bakit sila bubuto ng yes laban kay Sara? Kinontra niya. Pakinggan natin po yung kanyang pagsasalita. Ito po.
Leandro Legarda Leviste.
Honorable Leandro Antonio Legarda Leviste, 1st District of Batangas is hereby recognized.
Magandang
You have
hapon
2
po
minutes.
sa aking kababayan, Madam Chair. Madam,
Kababayan niya si Jerby Luistro eh.
is selective justice justice or injustice?
Ha? Ang pagpipili ng katarungan ay katarungan ba o hindi katarungan? So, is selective justice justice or injustice? Ganun ang tanong niya. Tingnan natin kung anong sagot ni Jerby Luistro.
We are not abiding with selective injustice. Inasmuch as we do not
Wala, unresponsive ka. Dapat ang sagot mo lang, yes or no lang. Style mo talaga, Jerbil. You are trying to impress upon the people. Pero yung sagot mo, mali, malayo.
abide in selective accountability. And I have mentioned that in my sponsorship speech.
So selective justice is injustice. Therefore, if we hold some to account, we should hold all to account.
That is
Yan na, selective justice. So, dapat, i-hold natin lahat-lahat. Iparusahan natin ang lahat-lahat na nagkamali, hindi lang kay isa.
correct.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Would you support the House resuming the flood control investigations?
Ayan, tinatanong, payag ka ba na ang Kongreso ng mamamayan o House of Representatives ay magpapatuloy sa pag-imbestiga sa flood control projects? Siyempre, kasama na dyan yung mga congressman na contractors, lalo na dyan si Edwin Garjula ng Batangas din.
Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleagues, in our response to the mandate of transparency and accountability, we have to distinguish.
Ay, bakit ka
Between-
mag-distinguish? Ibig sabihin, may namimili ka. Ibig sabihin, bias ka laban kay Sara Duterte.
An impeachable official and non-impeachable official.
I'm asking for your personal position on
For
this.
impeachable official, Mr. Speaker, we follow the rules of
Ang
impeachment.
layo na sagot mo, Berde Jerbil Luistro.
Both of the House of
Kada kinakampen mo si Sara, si Kwan, kinakalaban mo si Sara.
Representatives and of the Senate. For non-impeachable official,
Kahit impeachable, dapat magpaparusahan. Kabubos ka talaga.
it will depend on the nature of investigation or
Inibestigan mo kapwa mo, congressman, na pati sarili mo. Kawatan ka. Dami mo kinuha sa mga binibiyaya ni Speaker. Walang AIC kung wala si Speaker. Walang AKAP kung wala si Speaker. Walang flood control projects kung wala ni Speaker.
case which the gentleman from the 1st District of Batangas wishes to initiate.
Let me reiterate the
Nevertheless,
question, Madam.
Mr. Speaker, there is proper forum, there is proper rules that apply
Ang layo-layo
to
naman.
every remedy that is given to the
Masyado kang defensive.
Filipino people.
So may I ask again, Madam, would you support the House resuming the flood control investigations?
Mr. Speaker, may I be
Donate,
recognized?
Majority Leader.
While I understand the concern of the Honorable Leviste to pursue accountability,
Si Lawrence Defensor, walang kwenta na tao to. Disgrace to the Defensor family.
in all matters involving Congress and the government itself. I request the gentleman from Batangas not to stray from our deliberations involving the resolution.
So the House does not want to make a statement today on whether it wishes to resume the flood control investigations.
Mr. Speaker, we will not make any statement outside our deliberations on the impeachment
Bakit
complaint.
outside? Kasama yan. Konektado yan kasi ayaw nyo sa House, sa flood control, pero gusto nyo sa pag-impeach kay Sara.
May I
Thank you, Mr.
remind Representative Leviste to
Thank you.
confine
I will move
your
to my next
interpellation and question
Isa,
to the
isa pa tong gagong ito si Dinan Hernandez.
resolution under consideration.
I will move to my next topic. Thank you. Do you support transparency in the use of public funds?
Definitely, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I heard that on March 18, some members of Congress got Easter break bonuses or additional MOOE of 2 million pesos or more, and those who do not support the impeachment did not get this extra MOOE. Do you know anything about this, Madam Chair, and how much MOOE have you gotten this year?
Ano isasagot ni Jerby Luis kung nakatanggap po ba ng MOA na 2 million?
Mr. Speaker, I deny the allegation
Deny ka lang hanggang deny?
of the honorable gentleman from Batangas, but it is my observation as well that the statement is no longer relevant to the subject matter of this impeachment.
Relevant yan.
Madam Chair,
kasi binigyan
I just
kayo.
want to make this clear before the members of
Kaya
Congress.
ang pinagbubutuhan ninyo, impeachment ni Sara. So, importante yan, yung tanong ni Ligarda Libeste, kasi ang lahat ng bumubuto dyan sa impeachment ay binibigyan ng 2 million. So, relevant na relevant. Anong utak mo, Jerby Luistro? Gusto mo umiwas? Ibig sabihin po, tumanggap ka kasi iniiwas mo eh. Gumagawa ka ng alibay.
Cast their votes. Because there is, first of all, confirmed information that some members of Congress got 2 million pesos on March 18.
O,
But
yan ha.
on the impeachment,
Ilang congressman yun? March 18, 257.
Point of order, Mr.
Mr.
Speaker.
Chair, just on the impeachment,
Just
Majority
on,
Leader.
on the
Mr.
impeachment,
Speaker, the Honorable Legarda Leviste.
just on,
Ikaw, Lawrence Defensor. Tinatago mo katotohanan, tumanggap ka ng 2 million.
on the
Is
impeachment, Mr.
free
Chair.
to speak his mind after the voting, so long as
Mr.
we
Chair,
stay.
just on the impeachment, Senator Amy Marcos said those who vote for the impeachment will get 20 million pesos. And I just want to make it clear if this is true or not, because if it is true, then it should be made public. And if some are getting the 20 million and others are not getting the 20 million, then it should at least be fair that everyone who votes gets 20 million, and those who do not vote hopefully should also be given that, because this is taxpayers' money and should not be allocated on the basis of your vote on the impeachment.
Tama, pera ng mamamayan yun. Bakit ibigay nyo kung sino bumuto sa impeachment?
Mr. Speaker, on behalf of all the members of the House of Representatives, I categorically deny any statement made
Nagpitla ka, Lawrence Defensor. Ibig sabihin, pitla, nag-stammer. Hindi mo na alam ang ibig sabihin, guilty ka.
by
This
the
is what
Senator.
Senator
and-
Amy Marcos said.
Yes, Mr. Speaker. May I request the Honorable Leviste to proceed with his interpellation
Okay.
regarding the resolution and the articles of impeachment.
I have one last topic on this, which is for the sake of the other members of Congress. Is it true or not true that those who vote against the impeachment will lose benefits for their vote? So that before we cast our votes, we will know whether doing so will result in us losing our benefits or not.
Mr. Speaker, may I be recognized once more?
Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, on behalf of the House, we categorically deny any such allegations, and we would like to thank the Honorable Ligarda for his pursuit of accountability and
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
transparency.
I would like to
Honorable-
thank you for putting it on the
Honorable
record.
Ligarda,
That Mr.
your
Chair
time
actually
is
made
up.
a
I'll
very
give
good
you
thing.
one last question.
No one should lose their benefits for their vote today. And lastly, I would like to ask if the House Committee on Accounts and the DBM can release all data on the budgetary releases for MOOE or for infrastructure or any other budgets so that we can ascertain whether it is true or not what Senator Amy Marcos said. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Majority Leader.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, there being no other member to interpellate, to sponsor or make any manifestation, I move to adopt House Resolution number 989 together with the findings, conclusions, and recommendations contained in Committee Report number 261, and for this purpose, direct the Secretary General to call the roll of members for nominal voting.
So, yan ha. Nakita niyo kung gaano
The
katapang.
Secretary General is hereby directed to call the roll.
Oh, yan ha. Itigilan natin yan. Mga walang kwenta na mga baboy na mga congressman na to. Si Edgar Nassion, Dr. Toto, good morning. Happy Sunday everyone. Okay, hanggang dyan lang muna tayo ha. Yan lang ang natin topic. Napakasimpleng topic lang para malaman ng mga tao na simpleng-simple maintindihan kagad. Maraming salamat po. Pakilike na lang.